Hello, welcome back again to the modeling series of the Hosu Marine. Today we will continue the outfit of this character. So yesterday we are working on the head, so we will complete the last part, which is the this kind of fluff here. So yeah, this kind of shape is a little bit complex. I think I will use the hair as the base because it's a little bit similar. I think I will spirit this. I think I will just remove the material, okay, just to make sure. We will see the shape from the back. Hopefully the process won't be taking too long since it's similar to the hair. Maybe I won't create the shape as complex as this, but uh, hopefully it still will be enough. I guess. General illumination. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back again to the stream. General illumination. I think I will duplicate for the back part. Uh, this one. I will scale it along the y-axis. Hello, Hein. Hein. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Hein. I think the last. I get notified by YouTube because there is not enough bandwidth. Is the stream stuttering or something from your uh, device, or is it fine? You have issue with my stream? Any lag or something? Please tell me in the chat. I guess so. You will open the widget. Are you experienced buffering or something? Hello? Anyone? No? Is it fine? Oh, okay. Yeah, the message is gone now. It says I get some buffering issues for my connection. Since I'm not the only one who use internet, so maybe that's why, I guess. Hello, Alua7. Hello. Welcome to the stream. I think I will get this for the Raishin. Welcome back again. Raishin from Japan. Welcome back again to the stream. Okay. Hello, Kaijin. Hello. Hi. Welcome to the stream. I think I will get a little bit bigger. Okay. Just adding some loops. Oh, because I duplicate this thing from here, it has a mirror, so let's delete it. Delete it. Okay. Okay. At this stage, I usually merge this thing here. I don't know what this is. The fluff, I guess, into a single mesh. I mean, single uh, shape by using my add-on, the ETC tools. Wait, don't forget to kill the cat. Sometimes it's cleaner that way. I think I will add some loop before I do that. I think I will make it a little bit closer with each other. Yeah, maybe one more single loop after this one. How long you take to model a character? It depends with the complexity. Uh, the I usually it takes 1 to 2 months to create a single character. But if the yeah, if I'm just creating a typos, it's a little bit faster since I usually start with uh, base mesh, typos base mesh. So unlike this stream, which I create from scratch, so for the base mesh, it's usually few days and to maybe 2 weeks, I guess. The typos. But for the full render and everything, I guess it kind of probably 1 to 2 months. Uh, maybe if I do, I'm not sure, but when I'm doing live stream like this, I think I get more focused rather than when I'm working by myself, I guess, because I get quite distracted a lot. I, like watching YouTube and something else, I guess. By doing this, I guess, even if I only stream for about 3 hours a day, but I guess the progress is kind of uh, quite a bit, uh, a lot, rather than when I'm working alone, something like that. Maybe you can try to stream your work, I guess, to get focus, to not get distracted a lot. I mean, probably. Yeah, I think it's ready to train. So rather than use manually use Boolean, I use this etc tools union meshes and hopefully one crash. I will save those. Okay. Okay. I forget to. I can just use union loose path, so it will connect. It will join all the disconnected parts into one. Okay. Okay. Something like this. So let's clean the result. It can be a little repetitive, but It's fine. It's kind of relaxing, I guess. To clean the result of the from union, it's kind of repetitive but fun. Okay, I think I will go to local mode. Hmm. I think I will. I forgot to. I think rather than just clean it now, it's better to have. Okay, wait, wait. I will remove. It's better to have. It better. It's better to have a more complete parts, so you don't have to keep clean up your. You don't have to keep using the union and clean up again your meshes. So I think I will just complete the shape. Since currently it's only three parts, three. I will add another more and then join that again. Do you have a plan to make a tutorial video or a time lapse? Yeah, this streaming series hopefully will become a time lapse. But for a specific tutorial, I don't think. I don't know. I'm currently I'm trying with this streaming format and see how it goes. Uh, I'm still unlisting my videos of my streaming, but you can still because yeah, this is just still testing first because you can still access the previous part on the Discord server link in the description. So yeah, probably I will still uh, probably if tutorial specific tutorial or something, I don't think I can really do that. I think I will format it to just like this stream something like also. I mean, the tutorial will be also a live stream, something like that. That's what I meant to say. Sorry if I'm not clear enough. The time lapse will be hopefully will be a public one, so anyone can watch it without join the Discord server. Okay. I hope that can answer the question. I think I will create a little bit more, maybe three or four of the strands, and we will union the mesh again. So what's happening here? Oh, I have a mirror modifier. I plan to create a like I said before, the yesterday stream, probably I will, after the project is done, I will create a live streaming specifically to explain the basics of YouTube Paint. So, yeah. And that's supposed to be also a tutorial. Yeah, hopefully everything, if everything goes according to the plan. Okay, maybe this one. If you are wondering why I don't immediately create YouTube Paint videos when I release the add-on, that's because I'm still need to getting used to create a video again, I guess. Yeah, it's not that easy if you haven't created any video for last 5 years. So I just released the add-on just to see, I guess. Maybe if I wait too long to create the video first, the add-on won't get released. It will be even more late. I actually want to release the add-on back in the 2020, but it keep pushing back to 2022. It's already late for 2 years. I'm sorry. The reason is why the long wait is originally because the core of the VPN is not finalized yet. I mean it still keep changing until early this year. So yeah, I afraid if someone already used the add-on and if there is a big change, there is no easy way to update the already available files. I guess something like that. If that's make any sense, I guess. So yeah. So I don't want to keep waiting too long to release the add-on. So I just release the add-on without uh, any YouTube videos or something. I just prepare the documentation with my friend. Hopefully, at least that's enough for if you want to get started with for using YouTube Paint. It's not that hard to set up, but some people probably prefer to just watch videos. So hopefully I can working on that later. Just keep rambling about Japan. Even though we are modeling right now. Maybe one more time or two, I guess. Two. Uh, yeah, maybe just a little bit more. Okay. I think I will only two strands left, I guess. This one and this one. Let's create that. Uh, I'm not really sure how to do this kind of shape. Uh, I don't know any other technique. I guess if you have any experience working on this kind of shape, feel free to share it in the chat. So yeah, probably this kind of thing is always something that I'm kind of confused how to do that in sculpting software because it's kind of too what is that? The word it's harder to get precise. I guess this kind of hair thingy is. I actually have create time lapse to create anime hair in the past, but the result is kind of too chaotic. I guess the flow is uh, very I don't know very rough to say the least. By doing this manually, I think it's more cleaner. Maybe someone uh, actually using curve and convert it to mesh. I don't know which one the better technique for this kind of thing. I think this is fine. I guess we can wait. We need to close the. I forgot. We need to close the cap of each strand so it won't create too many problems. We merge it. Okay, I think I will create just another one the last time. Okay, this one. The nice thing about this process is if you create this kind of workflow manually, it's easier to unwrap, I guess. And there is no rep. Sorry, there is a plane above my head, so it's kind of noisy here. So if you're using this kind of technique, the nice thing is you don't have to retouple your audio. So it already has a nice and clean topology, I guess. That's what I like about just box modeling out of your way to the hair. Okay, now we can join this by using this tool. Okay, hopefully it won't create any problem. And oh, I see. Probably something like this. Okay, it caused a problem. Maybe I need to join first. Okay, okay. I think I will wait. If that's happen, I usually just hmm. I think I will join but one by one and see where is the okay, this is fine. This is fine. Hello, I came here to bless this stream. Okay, thank you. Keep blessing this stream. This is a very blessed stream. Okay, this is the one that caused the problem. Oh, I see. It's usually because this one is kind of a little bit. So let's put it inside. Okay. Okay. Now this. Okay, this one is. I think I will move it a little bit here. Okay, what's going on now? Okay. Okay, are you still blazing this stream? Because I'm getting a little bit problem here. Are you still there, Karim? Or are you blazing someone else stream? Oh, now you got it. Yeah, okay. Keep blazing this stream. I need the blaze of the stream. Okay, hopefully the blaze will work this time. Okay, yes. Thank you, thank you. Your blessing is working good. Okay, now let's try this. Yeah, now it's all joined into one single mesh. Now let's clean the mesh. Okay, after we union. Yeah, thank you, Karim. After we union the mesh and uh, get blessing from Karim. Sorry. Okay, we will clean the mesh by using what is this? The merge tool. It will take quite a while, but it's kind of relaxing. So if you ever have played a game, the which the which the gameplay is cleaning some house or something, it's kind of like that. But it is cleaning the mesh. of your model. Kind of have the same feeling, I guess. Okay. What did I miss? Last stream I couldn't watch. I created the head and what else? And the cape. Okay. Only the head and cape yesterday. So it's probably not that much. There is game called House Flipper. You basically clean house. Yeah, I saw plenty of games like that. If you ever play that kind of game, it's probably have the same feeling with this process currently. It will took several times. Okay, another plane, another plane above my head. So I live in the near airport, so it has a lot of plane noise. House flipper, more like renovate house rather than just clean it. I think there is a game. I don't remember the name. Is the one that have a broom, I guess, and the your task is kind of clean the station or something. I don't remember the name. I think I saw that kind of game. And the first time I saw this game, I wonder who is kind of people playing this. Why don't they just clean their own house? I guess it's more productive. I don't know. But what if your house is already clean uh, and you don't want to mess up your already clean house? So we can play that game. We don't have to mess up our house to clean it again. I guess if that's make any sense. I played it. It's fun. Yeah. Um. Yeah. My friend is used to play that kind of game. I haven't played myself, but yeah, cleaning is awesome. It's never enough. Yeah, that's right. Wait, I'm gonna move the cable. Cleaning is really fun. I think it's called the I'm sorry, I don't remember the term, but if you achieve something, uh, achieve something in life, I guess you used to to get something in a biology in the chemical term. I think it is it serotonin? No, dopamine boost. I guess if you finish your chores, it usually have some kind of effect on your body. I guess it will have a dopamine boost. I guess it's actually really good to your health, something like that. Probably. I'm not a doctor. Copium. No, no, it's not copium. I'm pretty sure it's not copium. Copium is uh if what is copium? It's something if copium is if you're what is this? If you can if you kind of get a bad news, and copium is some kind of hope that make that bad news is still bearable, something like that. When you are single. Yeah, probably. Opium is when you're single. Why is that? Okay, let's. Okay, that is still a lot more. I will try to make it fast. I will go to overclocking mode of my hand. So I'm working in Blender while keeping this stream on the background. See, thank you. I hope this stream can accompany your work in Blender. Okay, I need to raise up my overclocking power on my fingers so I can finish it a little bit faster. Okay, what's going on now? What? Wait, wait. Okay. Okay, I think I will just merge it. I don't use any music on my stream because uh, if you just want to, if you don't like the music, or if you just want to hear my tips in live, no, in using Blender, uh, you can use your own music. It can be K-pop, C-pop, J-pop, or any pop, or maybe not a pop song. Tips cut in 4K. Are you not archiving your previous stream? I did. It's unlisted because this is my experience in streaming world. So you can still access it on the Discord server link in the description. Uh, I will I will create hopefully I will create time lapse out of this stream. So that one is the one that will be publicly available, guys, without needing to be on the Discord channel, the Discord server. I mean, Depop. Okay, what is probably a Denmark pop? Okay. If you haven't heard of Denmark pork, I think you probably should, because I haven't heard it either. So you probably try it and tell me how is the Depop sound. Okay. It's dangdut pop. It's Indonesian thing. If you don't know, someone in the chat said dangdut pop. Depop is dangdut pop. Dangdut is a genre of Indonesian music. If you haven't heard of it, maybe you can try and see if you like it. Okay, there is a lot more. I need to make it more faster. Yes. Okay. I'm really concentrated right now to clean the mess up. Okay. Maybe I will connect this. Yeah. I only use merge and the control K, the control X. What is control X? I think it's for dissolve, I guess. The the vertices, for example, like what this one, I can just control X and it will disappear. But this one is a little bit tricky. Okay, probably something like that. Yeah, this is a little bit repetitive. Uh, wait. Uh, when we are done with this shape, it usually has a this will be a really nice feeling when we are finish this. It will have a copium booth. I mean, what is called? Uh, wait, pressing the wrong button. Yeah, I think I will connect this. Uh, if you are using the J shortcut, the join vertices, you sometimes accidentally press H, which is hide. It's keep happening to me a lot. I don't know. Yes, if you are keep if you are seeing me hide some vertices accidentally, it's because yeah, I accidentally press H while want to join the vertices. I bought Sanchez figure yesterday, and this stream pop up in my YouTube algorithm is kind of scary. Yeah, you should afraid with the Google algorithm, I guess, or YouTube algorithm. It's keep tracking you. I don't know, probably. I really love your Levi sculpt from H Go Now. It's why I'm sub. Need to see you're still doing 3D. No, I'm doing 4D. Just joking. Yeah, I'm still doing 3D. I don't know. I haven't got time to update the channel. So yeah, hopefully I will be active again. This time I will stream on this channel. Uh, yeah. Pop out that H key. Problem solved. Okay. Nice tip, Karin. really nice tip. Okay, this is really a mess. This part. I think I will delete a lot of face here. Okay. Okay, how long have been oh, almost 1 hour. Hopefully it won't be that much longer until we can finish this part. So we can continue to another part. After I usually after uh, clean this kind of thing, I will still tweak the resulting mesh, because to make it a little bit more natural. Almost there. Okay, it's started to looking really nice. Are you going to rig this model? Hmm. I'm not really sure since I plan to create only a simple pose, I guess, for the final render. So I usually need a rig for the more complex pose, but think this project is probably will not have rig, but I don't know. It's still possible, I guess. But let's just see how this will end up. Okay, this one is a little bit weird. Okay, maybe. Okay, what is that low? Oh, I see. I think I will connect this with this. Wait, okay, something like that. Which one? Oh, I see. This one still has. Yeah, I think is it done? Oh, this one is will need some work. Okay, yeah. I thought this is connected, right? How can I? What is happening here? Hmm, I think I will just delete this. I want to make a 3D print model, but I confused. Should I make the pose first, then rig it, or just make the model pose what I want? Uh, I think it depends on your workflow. Uh, since I mostly use poly modeling, I usually started with the pose first, and then rig, and then pose. If you are using something like ZBrush or sculpting like away, it, it's probably fine to just pose it wherever you want. Yeah, that's my at least I don't know. I haven't really used sculpting workflow a lot these days, or maybe at all for the last few years. So I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't know. It's probably something like that. Hey, wait. I keep pressing the H button. Uh, I because I didn't want to pop out the H key. I still want to use it. You can do either way for printing. Yeah. Set general luminescent. Yeah, I guess so. You can go the way you want to, any way you want to, I guess. Just pick the one that you comfortable with your workflow. Uh, Maybe the nice thing about using TPOS is it's easily if the model has a lot of mirror parts, it's more easily manageable, I guess, at first. rather than you keep what is happening here? Wait, wait. Rather than uh, create it, you create one and copy. You can also create one and copy the mirror path though, if you're post it right away. So it's probably fine. I still prefer ZBrush doesn't really have a competent rig, but it does have a masking and transpose line. I do know what it is, but it's probably very useful if you are using ZBrush. I still prefer rigging my stuff in Blender though. Yeah, because Blender is awesome. Blender is king. Someone said few strips ago, Blender is king. I think if you have already seen the Pablo Dubaro stream, uh, now Blender has post tools. Uh, I'm not really sure how can I how to use that, but it's probably similar thing that you can do in ZBrush, I guess. You don't need to rig your model, but just to use post. Is it post brush? Okay, another plane above my head. Yeah, yeah, post brush. It's pretty cool. I still have no idea how to use it. Maybe I will try it uh later, I guess. Interestingly, I don't know. I haven't seen a lot of tutorial for the I guess new tools from Pablo Dubalo. Uh, I don't know. When I'm looking up for the new tools, it's usually I don't know. I haven't really seen maybe a proper sculpting tutorial, I guess. Or maybe I just rarely seen a sculpting tutorial, I guess. Yeah. So okay, I want to ask something, I guess. Is the post tools is only for a single mesh, or are you can use can you use it for multiple mesh? So yeah, maybe that's my question. If you're ever Pablo is developing repository app for some company. Yeah, I know. I know. Currently, he's already leaving Blender development, and I will auto smooth this mesh. Yeah, post brush is cool. You can bend the object easily. The line on the bend of brush. Can you use it for multiple objects? That's my question. Do you can you use it like that? Because The nice thing about using standard rig is pose you can move a lot of parts of your models by using just a single gun. I will test it. It will only affect only one object. Yeah, I think that's the I guess that's uh if you create some character like this, it usually has a lot of parts on your model. So if you can only use the tool for one object, I think that's a little bit not enough. I guess at least for me. Yeah, I think the Blender has still because in scope mode, yeah, because in scope mode you only scope one object, right? Yeah, Blender. I think only edit mode. I think Blender only have a capability to edit multiple objects in edit mode. Other than that, it's still one object. Maybe until scope mode can work on multiple objects. I think rigging is still the way to, at least at some cases, is still more preferable, I guess. I usually just weight paint the body and copy the copy the weight paint to the rest of the accessories and the bodies, something like that. So actually it's not that long to set up the at least the weight paint. The rig process itself, I use Rigify. Oh, objects, not meshes, right? Yeah, I mean objects. Because I usually has a different um, modifier for each object. So yeah. Uh, for example, one has solidify and one doesn't, something like that. Uh, Sometimes I need to move them together at the same time for posting purpose. Okay, then no, yeah. Okay, so yeah. Hello guys, hello Swan Coffee House. Hello, welcome to the stream. Welcome. So there are still people coming and go at the middle of the stream. So if you have no idea what I'm doing now, I'm doing a modeling stream. Hopefully, the result will be a time lapse. Uh, yeah. See, it started to looking nice. Maybe this one is a little bit too. I have made progress with my head. Said Lumify Chill. Good job, good job. Keep on going. What progress are you have been made? Have you have you been made? What is that? What's the progress? Okay, I think I will. No, no progress. I mean, if you want to share, you can. So probably I have, I don't know, something to talk about. Little proportion were wrong. It looked weird. So have you already fixed it? The proportion. Oh yeah, you asked for tips on anime head, I guess, some streams ago. Yeah, I remember. It's been a while since the last time I sculpt in Blender. The last time I made sculpt of 19 Nijisanji ID member LOL. I see. Yeah, you should probably try it again, I guess. The last time I used I mean the remesh or multi-res workflow using Blender, I guess it's oh no no. I think I never ever use the new remesh tool is how it might work. I'm not really sure how can I uh how can I keep the details uh not lost, I guess. Because when I remesh the model, it has a softer presence, softer shape, I guess. Yeah, I tried three different methods. Found one that worked. What is that? What is your method to get your head right? What is that? Oh yeah, how can do any one of you know how to keep the details good while using remesh when sculpting? Uh, I think I only have tested it and I don't know how to I don't know how to effectively use that, I guess. I moved to ZBrush now for sculpting. I feel sad for my potato PC if I keep sculpting in Blender. I see, yeah. Blender is more heavy uh, than ZBrush for sculpting. Hopefully it will be fixed in the future release. Uh, Even if after Pablo Duperro leave, I think there is still someone working on sculpt mode, so I think it will be fine. The current one, I think it's Joet, I guess. Joet is the one who implement the Ngon on Blender. So if you ever used Blender in 2012 or before, it used to have no Ngon, so you can only create a face using 4 or 3 vertices. Before I use planes to make the head too hard. I use rounded cube instead, and the proportions were easier to work with. I see. Rounded cube. So the base mesh is the base shape is rounded cube, or do you mean something like that? I use loop tools for distribute the vertices of and clean. Did you try? Oh yeah, someone keep mentioning the loop tools. I haven't tried yet. Okay, I will try it. uh, maybe out of stream first, because I already stream without the that tool. Maybe I will use it in the future stream if I if it's actually suitable to my workflow, I guess. Yeah, loop tools is nice. Okay. Yeah, I think I see. I think yeah, that's why I I spend a lot of time moving around the loop to make it more even. If there is a tool to make it faster, I guess yeah, that's probably good idea to use it. There's a mesh called Rounded Cube, but it's part of extra add-on on Blender. Oh, I see. That's why I haven't heard of it before. Yeah. Uh, I only use the add-on that I haven't created by myself. I think it's the what is called. I will show you later in the stream. Probably not this stream, but it's for the UV. I think it's called UV Square. Uh, I think other than YouTube Paint and ATC tools and the convenient image loader, I think I use UV Square, and UV Square is for make the UV more even, more uh, looks like a square. It's for the hair, something like this. So it can easily uh, you can easily set up your anisotropic using that. And I also use Rigify. For UV unwrapping, I much prefer Textool. Yeah, I think I have tried it, but I don't know, it's too complicated for me. So I don't know, I don't use it anymore, I guess. Maybe I will try it again if that's better thing to do. Yeah, I use the UV tools that I use is UV Square. It's called UV Square for make your UV looks like a grid, so it can be easily used as a tangent of your uh, mesh. So it can be used as an anisotropic input, thing like that. I also other than that, I think I also UV. I'm a Rhizome UV guy myself, but UV Squares is great if you're doing anime renders. Yeah, UV Square is great. I I used to I used to not use that add-on, so I manually manage the UV to be a grid. It takes really long time to do. After I use UV Square, it only took about I think 15 to 30 minutes, I guess. It used to be maybe 4 hours, something like that, or 6 hours. So I usually spend a day just for managing the UV. So by using UV Square, it only took about 15 to maybe 30 minutes at most. Yeah, something like that. It's really useful. Other than UV Square, I use Pigify, the default Blender one, and F2. the default Blender one also for if you press F, you will create another automatically another face. I think that's the only add-on I use. Uh, I still wondering how to use Metaball. What kind of situation to make use? What kind of situation that make us to use Metaball? Yeah, I'm not really sure myself. I don't think I really ever use Metaball on my work. Yeah, if anyone probably know a tips about Metaball, maybe you can share it on the chat. F2 is necessity. Yeah, I wonder why Blender don't just enable it by default. I guess. Uh, it's it's really useful. The F2. Oh yeah. General Illumination said F2 needs to be default on in Blender at this point. It's too useful. Yeah, I agree 100%. Maybe you can ask for Pablo when he's streaming at Monday on Monday. Why is that? Metables, no one know how to use them. It's a unique thing. Yeah, it's maybe it's a secret that no one knows. Maybe it's part of a Illuminati or something. Yeah, they're looking really great. Yeah, even if you spend 1 hour and a half to just creating this kind of things, I think this is worth it. Probably. So if you are using ZBrush, maybe you can just create this kind of thing for 5 minutes, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, I will create. Let's say it is. Thank you. Thank you, General Luminescent. Uh, I think you can do it really fast on sculpting tools like ZBrush, but you then automatically have this kind of nice topology on top of it, I guess. I'm not really sure about the remesh of the ZBrush. I heard it's good, but is it if anyone using ZBrush, can it create something like this, the plane flow that can be easily used for anisotropic? No, is the I heard the remesh is really good on ZBrush, but I don't know how good it's then. Oh, I see. Nothing perfect like that. So this is really worth it then. But you can get close. Okay. Oh, this is not worth it then. Okay. No, I think uh, I'm a open source guy, I guess. So I try my best to not use proprietary software, maybe except Windows. Yeah. Uh, because I already getting used to Windows. Sorry. I don't know. I still do Retopo in Blender. Yeah, you can also do Retopo in Blender. I'm still not I don't know. If you, for example, if you create this kind of complex mesh, I don't think that will be easy to Retopo. I'm not really sure though. For example, yeah, or if you create some kind of this thing, yeah, bet I can do. Okay, Karim, I believe in you. Uh, Besides, ZBrush is now subscription model, so it's not worth it. Yeah, yeah. Even if it's still a standard paid software, I guess I don't know. Uh, I will still prefer the open source, I guess. My Windows have watermark in bottom right. You can buy the cheap keys, right, on the internet. Some said it's not legal, but I think Linus have already asked for Microsoft for the legality of the keys, but they said it's actually legal. So I think I get mine for $3 or something for Windows keys. Hitpress still has perpetual. Yeah, that's even worse now. Yes, it's proprietary and perpetual. So if you already, the reason I try to not use, at least I try to not use uh proprietary software. So I don't want to get too attached to something that uh of yeah, I don't want to get dependent a lot to something that potentially, I don't know, can uh okay, let's just say it. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm just rambling. I don't want to my work to be dependent a lot to something that I can control, I guess. The proprietary software is closed software, so and it's also so uh it's paid proprietary, and if you have bug or something, you need the mercy of your software vendor again. So yeah, I don't want to get attached to something like that. For how long? Only Maxon knows. Yeah, you need to ask Maxon. Join the pirate gang. That's really a Karim thing to say. So yeah, I think it's even if you're pirating your software, I don't think the it's a good idea in the long run. Except if you're only want your work to be a hobby or something. But if your work is, I don't know, you get money from your work, I guess. Yeah, so it's not a hobby again. I think if you can, the open source route is can be an alternative, I guess. I'm just okay. What's going on? I'm just saying, okay, it's just my opinion. Or just learn Blender. The code is basically legal, but the way you get the code is kind of illegal. Really? I don't think you can access the ZBrush source code, right? Even if you want to, except if you are the developer itself, I guess. The yeah, you can really access the ZBrush code. At least that's what I think. Oh, the Windows code, I mean. I see. Really? Is the Windows code actually available to access? Oh, the you mean the serial code? Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. I thought the source code of your software. You mean the serial code of the Windows license? Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's probably the code is basically legal, but the way you get the code is kind of so. How can I get the code then legally? By seller took it from free license and sell it. Oh, I see. From OEM, right? Yeah, I think it's from OEM and they sell it. But when I think I saw the video on Linus when they asked this kind of thing, and the response from Microsoft itself said that I think that's what I remember. Said that it's actually okay. If your code is working, then it's legal. They said something simple like that. So I guess it's probably a gray area, but the Microsoft itself is kind of don't care about it, I guess. Uh, Maybe the source of income of Microsoft is no longer Windows. I'm not really sure, but yeah, probably something else like server or something. That's why they don't really care it that much anymore. Uh, I remember at the past the think I don't know if it's Microsoft or Autodesk. So they usually has a some kind of razzia or razzia, right? Razzia. Is razzia English word? Razzia. No, some kind of sudden visit, I guess. Maybe sudden visit is better word. Sudden visit to a college or a government office, and they ask if the license is legal or not. And if they're not, they can they immediately take a legal action, I guess, to the government of or uh, the office itself. So I think I heard some of my friend, I guess, uh, got uh, uh, they caught using illegal software, and they find about think it's about maybe tens of thousand or hundred of $1,000, something like that. That's what's not nice about using proprietary software, I guess. Something like that can happen. Microsoft makes a lot of money from other things. Yeah, probably. Probably. No longer mainly selling only Windows keys. Do you mean inspection? Yeah, inspection. That's right. Inspection. Autodesk sometimes do it in animation studio. Yeah, that's right. I heard some of studio here got little inspection and they need to pay it for hundred or 10 or 100 of thousand dollars. That's what you got when you're using Maya, I guess, illegally. So if your life depends on it, it can happen if you don't get your software legally. I don't know if that still happen or not, but yeah, I think it's about maybe more than 10 years ago when I heard that story. That's really sounds like something Autodesk will do. Yeah, that's what they will totally do. I think I'm not really sure about the in my country, Indonesia. The most of the studio here is I think it's already using Blender. So maybe it's at least for animation, it's already enough for most part, rather than using Maya. But this come to the studio where I worked 3 months ago. Oh, I see. So it still happened. Okay. Uh, so is your studio license legal or not? The Autodesk software one. Are you guys get caught up or something? I thought that thing doesn't happen anymore, but I think they're still happening. Okay. Studio where I work still using Maya. Is it legal? Your are you guys using the legal license or the IT keep the legal software and uninstall the correct one? So you already know when they get in, something like that. Is there a snitch? Some of it legal and rest is and the rest of it is crack. Yeah, no wonder. I think the Maya license is really expensive, even for a big studio, I guess. Maybe it's fine for just one license, but if you have hundreds of animator, I think it's add up really a lot. So yeah, no wonder some studios still crack the software. Yeah, maybe you should ask the studio to just use Blender. Probably you can. I think some animation studio is still has a strong pipeline in Maya. Some said the Maya rigging is more powerful than Blender. Yeah, probably. I'm not really sure. Yeah, but sadly, we are not Disney or Pixar. LOL. Yeah, it's fine to be a DreamWorks. Yeah, it's fine. Sorry. What's uh what's your studio working on? Is it animation or game or something else? I like Maya rigging. Okay. Yeah, I heard it's great for rigging and animation. I think the Maya can use any type of object, I guess, to be a bond, something like that. I think that's what I heard. Uh, in Blender, you can only rig using bone type, but in Maya or 3D Max, you can also use mesh for rigging. So it's more flexible, I guess. At least that's what I heard. I am not really sure. I'm in animation. Oh, MSV Studio. So Yogyakarta. Okay. Oh, you're Indonesian. Okay. 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 I think MSV is had a high budget. No. Yep. Me too. What's about Maya? The rigging tools. So are you guys get fined or not? The MSC studios. No, you don't get caught using cracked software. Okay, almost 2 hours only working on this part. I hope this is worth it. So sometimes uh, if I use too much time to create this kind of thing, I wonder if myself is this is the best workflow that available in the world or not. Probably not. Yeah. You all have jobs while me being jobless. It's fine, Karim. It's fine. We'll get somewhere. I think I think I'm jobless for a long time too, so I don't know. It's everyone has its own path, I guess. So yeah, uh just keep working on your dream, I guess, or something. I don't know. I'm sorry. Yeah, just working on your vision. Yeah, I don't know what's the term. Your dream, I guess. Just keep working on your dream, and if it doesn't work out, maybe try uh different things, I guess. I'm sorry, Karim, if my advice is not that good. Okay. We can still be friend, right? Sorry. Oh, okay. Goodbye then. Friendship ended right now. You'll get somewhere, Karim. You're a very talented modeler. I know it for a fact. Okay. If anyone need a good modeler, there's Karim here. Need a job right now, so please contact him for awesome modeling job. Send someone an agent. What's that? How did Autodesk visit your studio? Yeah, you should. Maybe you can answer the what is name? Nerosu. Nerosu. You can answer that. Oh, okay. You answer with I don't know. I still work from home when Autodesk come to the studio. Okay. Yeah. Maybe the Autodesk picked the wrong time. So again, if anyone needs modeling jobs, you can contact Karim. Yeah, Karim. Are you still there, Karim, or are you already gone? Okay, almost there. Almost 2 hours, and we are still working on this thing. And such is trouble of Indonesian animators. Hi Ramanaus. What is your name? Ramanauskine Edita. Hi. They came during the corona outbreak. Such a bad time, yeah. Uh, for a multi-million. I think that they need a better strategy for a multi-million company. I think they are desperate because Blender is keep getting better, I guess. Uh, I think Karim is still cooking, so he won't answer. I just checked on the chat, on the DM, I guess. Uh, okay. Uh, it's Do you think it's too much? I think I did it too much, I guess. Yeah, probably it's more than enough, I guess. I forget I keep adding more details here, but I forgot the back part. So I don't know. I think this is a mistake. Okay, I don't know. I think I will just move on, I guess. It's just getting to. Uh, can I? I think I will just use another material for this. Add laugh, yeah, something like that. I will disable normal, and I will create the color. To You can create a simple gradient using the solid color first, and I will use this one. And I will create the gradient. I will use gradient mask. I will use the generated, I guess. Okay, you can see now it has a gradient. Now let's fix the orientation by rotate. Is it? Okay, wait. I will apply the rotation. How about this? I think it was -1 and -90. Uh, revision. I think I will just use object -90. This is just oh yeah. This is just a standard Blender what is called mapping node. It's just visible here. So sometimes I think how about one? No, I think I will just use color ramp, I guess, to try the where is color ramp? Okay, I'll just use color ramp on this mask, and we'll see which one. I think why this is okay. Maybe this one. No, I think okay. Okay, this is enough. I think I will just use vertex color. New vertex color, and it will be black. And I will just use vertex paint and use gradient. Where is the gradient brush? No, there is no gradient brush. How can I use gradient? Uh, where's the gradient? Line. No. Phil. Okay, where is Phil? Which one is it? Okay, I hope the time lapse won't be that. Okay, Phil is this one. Blur. This is called blur. There's no Phil in watercolor. Oh, should I? Okay. I just used the primitive tool, so I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry. I think I will make it a little bit smoother. Okay. This is the stupid solution is, I guess, the okay. I think this is fine. Yeah, that's much. You can select all the face and then shift. Okay, maybe later. I just paint the manually paint the vertex. So maybe next time I will. Okay. Okay. It's already 2 hours. Now we can continue to the body. Uh, the reason I don't use the skin color yet, I don't know. Since this is YouTube, I'm not really sure if that's appropriate. So yeah, let's just create a new material, fake skin, I guess. Just for temporarily. We can copy the layer in the actual skin. Fill is only on the text row. Oh, I see. I thought there is on the watercolor. Okay. Now we can. So you can see there is. Where do we start? I think I will start with the stocking first. I guess I will create a new pane, and I will create. Wait. I think I will create solid color. Probably gray, and I will use. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I think I will just use color ID with. I mean solid color with color ID mask. So it will automatically set for me. So I will fill this one. Uh, and also it has some kind of what is called leotard or something on the body. So should we do it now or not? Okay, now probably. So I think the it has uh so this one is connected to the back. Probably something like this. Probably something like this. So how about the top? I think it has there is no back reference. So probably it's circular around here. I think I will just create a sim so I can select the. Okay, I can see the. Hello, Hello, Jason Wilson Aguina Martinez. Hello, welcome to the stream. Okay, I think I will just connect this so I can create some kind of leotard or something. Uh, Sorry, I think it's fine. We can edit them later. Uh, yeah, probably something like this. I will mark sim, so I can just select the this one, something like this, and I will also mark sim this part. I think this one is like there. Wait. Oh yeah, the neck also need to be marked, so we can. I think this one is fine. Probably something like this. We can always tweak it later. So we can select this and use to fill it. Okay, probably make it a little bit more flow. I think I will just create another loop here, so it doesn't have triangle. So usually triangle is kind of mess up the flow. Martin will be proud of that. Okay. Okay, I think okay, this one. I think I will fix this one first. Okay. Usually uh you need to make a nice flow on the on this transition, I guess. So it will has a smoother line. Okay, maybe a little bit right here. We need more loop, I guess. Mm, he's streaming right now with Subaru. Okay. You probably if you if you are a fan of her, maybe you can watch her instead. Okay. I think. Wait. I think I will. I keep pressing the wrong button. Okay. This one should be right here, probably. I can watch VTuber. In fact, that's why. Yeah. I, I'm not really into VTuber uh myself. I'm not. I I do know the culture of the. I think it has some kind of cult or following, but I'm not. Why? Okay, I think I forget to click. So I think it should be right here, right? I think it's more natural. I think I will. Yeah. To be honest, I rarely watch stream, regular stream, uh, also regular stream. So I hope you don't get bored watching my stream because to be honest, I'm not uh, personally I don't watch streaming content. Uh, yeah, I don't really watch streaming content. I think I only watch the Blender Today one, the Pablo. What's his name? Pa, Pa, Pablo Vasquez, the Pablo Vasquez one. I think that's the only stream that I follow. Okay. I adore the characters. I watched some short clip where something funny happened. When something funny happened. Okay. Yeah, I think I watched some of the what is called the mouse VTuber. I think I watched some of the clip. Yeah, that's kind of funny, I guess. But I don't know. I can't really watch the full stream of the any stream, I guess. So if thank you for coming along with the stream. Yeah, because uh, I'm not really sure if this is a good stream or not. Iron Mouse, yeah, Iron Mouse. I think I watched some clip of her. I guess I'm not really sure. I watch Indonesian VTuber because they kinda relate to me. Yeah, yeah. The relatable things is more easily more fun to watch. I guess. Sometimes I watch Pablo de Barro on Twitch. Does Pablo de Barro still streaming on Twitch? Yeah, I watch some of the Pablo de Barro too, but I think I never on the whole stream. It's a shame that the record is kind of I don't know. There is no record of the past stream, right? For Pablo de Barro. The only stream I watch is for an artist called Supumaria. I think he's really deserved that because yeah, I heard he's kind of awesome and he's kind. Probably he's probably kind. He did his past videos, and I was sad when that happened. Yeah, I don't think there is a record of Pablo de Barros stream. I don't know. The last time I checked, it's not there. So yeah, last time I see he make Genshin character. Okay, when was that? I thought I I rarely watch Twitch because I don't know. It's kind of slow in my place. That's the reason I also stream on YouTube because it's really it's faster here. So when something uh only a little bit uh, uh connection issue in my place very usually affected Twitch so much, so I rarely watch Twitch, I guess. I think Twitch cannot archive video. Yes, you can, but only for 14 days. I check it when I want to when I uh, try to stream. It said it only archive for 14 days. That's why I am on YouTube because the reason I you the videos I I think the videos won't get deleted in YouTube. Uh, I found your work and basically you are kind of Pablo. Yeah, I'm a Pablo Picasso, I guess. There is so much Pablo in Blender words. Yeah. You and yeah, Twitch is a little heavy in Indonesia. Yeah, that's true. You and Pablo are some of the people I admire. Thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I think Pablo has a lot better workflow than me because I spent 2 hours to just create a simple hair. LOL, Chupngar is the new Pablo. No, no, I am. Uh, I don't know. I think uh, if that's the case, you when are you going to working on Blender sculpting and texturing brain? To be honest, I think that's not the right word. I actually want to contribute to actual Blender, but I don't know. It's a lot harder than just create a add-on, I guess. I have tried to compile the Blender myself, and I don't know. The tools is kind of the I don't know. I can't get used to it. I think uh, if if that's possible, I really want to improve some of the Blender tools, but if anyone can help me, I mean, start in coding in actual Blender, yeah, maybe you can hit me up, I guess. If you are done with this model, do you post it in Blender Army? Oh, you mean Blender Army Indonesia? I feel that group is kind of different now since the last time I. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I rarely post in Facebook anymore. Yeah, probably. So I get okay, now I'm fixing the hand now. It's not I don't know. I think this is enough, right? The this thing. Okay, maybe a little bit fixing here. What kind of help do you need to your I mean the the problem with maybe this is a little bit personal about my development workflow. So uh, I I use a text editor called Vim. If you have heard of it, this okay. Let me show you Vim. If you have heard of it, this one. Have you ever seen this kind of tool? So I use this tool, this Vim, for my programming work. So the problem with working in Blender source code is since I use Windows, you can only compile the source code using Visual Studio, and Visual Studio has a really poor Vim support. Okay, that's why it's get annoy me a lot. I guess I think I need another loop here. I have zero experience in coding. Okay, it's fine. Not everyone need to be a coder. But if you, I think the Python is not that hard to learn. If you, it can help a lot for your workflow. Okay, because you can uh, uh, s- try create some kind of macros on your workflow, so you don't need the mercy of add-on developer or something. I guess. Okay. Okay. Maybe this one is not that needed. The- Okay, it's not really that possible. I think this is fine. Okay, now as you can see, this is looking really nice. So the film support in, like I said before, the film support in Visual Studio is kind of really bad, I guess. So it's I don't know, it's really not comfortable. And also Visual Studio has a really bloated software, I guess. So I used to work on Linux using it's called IDE called Qt Creator. Uh, it's really nice to use, but I can't use it on Windows because Blender only support Visual Studio on Windows. Yeah. Do you need to be good at math to do coding? Hmm. No. Maybe logic, but not. But if you're good at logic, is probably you're also good at not really, but it's more of a logic things, I guess, for coding, not math, basic, standard math. Why film specifically? Because I already getting used to it. Maybe that's why. I already used film since I don't know forever since my college days when I learned the programming. Okay, so yeah, it's really has a lot of nice features that I really need for my workflow. Actually, the if you ever compile Blender on Linux, you can also use Visual Studio Code. It's called Visual Studio Code, not to be confused with Visual Studio. It's actually has really nice film support, but currently it doesn't work on Windows, only on Linux, and that's a shame again. Maybe I will try Linux again some days. just to I think this one need to be yeah, yeah. I actually really want to code Blender, but yeah, that's my I guess that's my uh coding blocking roadblock, I guess. Roadblock, that's my current roadblock. Maybe if Blender has a uh Visual Studio support on Windows, I can try it again. Or should I just use Linux? The problem with Linux is I still need some software that only works on Windows, like driver and uh, camera and everything. So the security camera of my place is only available on. I'm not really sure, but I think it's only available on Windows. Oh yeah, I have to go. Good night, everyone. Good night, Rosu. Good night. Thank you for coming on my stream. So if you can see, this one, it's actually uh, is some kind of fishnet or something or transparent stocking. So this is my trick, right? So you can create a new mask on this solid color. I will create new mask and I will use fake lighting and I will use camera space. Hmm, wait, is it multiply? Yeah, probably multiply. So you can see the okay. Maybe I will create another ramp here. You can see now it has it has if I disable the mask, okay, I will enable it again. It has more of a natural look, I guess, for the fishnet, the docking. I think I will try to use another, is spline. Okay, maybe with spline. So as you can see, this is without and this is with. So you can see this is looking like a stocking, I guess. Yeah. And I don't know, it has more specular. Let's try it, I guess. So we can tweak the roughness on this part to be the value we want. Probably it has 0.3 or 0. Maybe 2. Okay, since this is, you can also edit the affected mask. So I will disable the ramp so it won't affect the roughness. Is it working? Wait, let me check. Where is the... Oh, I see. Yeah, something like this. So we can probably 0.33. Yeah. Maybe we'll detail the navel a bit. So it has some kind of fat in the belly. So let's try to simulate that. I'm not really sure though how to do it. I will just, I think I'm just trying to figure out the flow of the. Okay, I think we need more. Fine. I think we need more of a loop here. Wait, because spot is usually has some kind of crease, the rib cage. Yeah, probably something like that. Um, how can we create the flow here? I think it needs something like circle around here. Okay, maybe another blue. Are you gonna stream every day until the final stage? Yeah, yeah, that's the plan. I think I will try to do that until hopefully it will finish before the end of the month, but we can only hope. We don't know what the future will bring in. I think I will try. Okay, I will try. Okay, the using manual things like this is, I mean, standard polymodeling is kind of tricky you need to when you are streaming around this hour, I guess. I already stream for 2 hours and 30 minutes, so yeah, just calculate the hours, I guess. So around 2 hours before at your time. Okay, I think I will save the. Okay, it has looked now, so we can. Sorry, it's sorry. I meant to ask. Do you work on this off stream? No. For this particular project, no, I don't. I try to make it everything on the stream. I work for something else off stream, I guess. Okay, it's looking weird now. Okay, I think I will just use cook mode. And just copy. At least the flow is already right, so can just hope the at least the body is done today. So tomorrow we can continue to the textures, I guess, the little details. Okay, I think the navel is also okay. Probably make it a little bit, just a little bit more detail. Thank you for the stream. Bless you, sir. You're welcome. Thank you so much for the comment. Thank you. Thank you for coming to my stream. Okay, this is looking a little bit weird. Yes. I think I will collapse this. Okay. I hope this triangle, okay, the triangle is kind of visible, so I think I will move it like here. Okay, it will create another line there. I think I will just move it to the top. Okay, probably here. Something like this. Do you keep multi-res on the final stage or or just pick it out? I'm not really sure if I will use multi-res, but if I did, I think I will leave it on if the model is static. It has now it has more kind of little bit of fat like the reference. Okay, okay. I'm still I think triangle here is okay. Okay. Okay, this is the line because we collapsed the loop before, so we can fill it again. I think I will stream for another about 20 minutes or something like that. Maybe until the body is mostly done, so we can continue or something else tomorrow. Okay, the triangle is kind of messed up the shading. We can skip. Okay, maybe do you use any sort of anatomical reference? Yeah, sometimes. But I usually just follow the reference, I guess. Okay, I think this is mostly done. The triangle is kind of messed up with the shading, but I hope it won't be that noticeable. Yeah. We can create another loop here though. Let's just try it. I think we will move this one here. Yeah, I think this is a little bit nicer. Okay. Okay, let's see the top here. Okay, it's kind of, I think I will clean it a little bit. Okay, I think I will make this. Okay, it also has some kind of uh, bump here. I guess fat yes, to make it more believable. I will also add more for the ribcage. I think this part is need to be a little bit have more volume, just like the reference. Let's see. Okay, I think this is fine, good enough. Oh, but I think we will create this part a bit, right? Okay, let's just try. Probably something like this. Okay. And I will try to mask it out. Hopefully it won't look that weird. Okay. Wait. Okay, this is looking. Um, I think I will just connect it in. Okay, I think. Wait. I think this is fine. I guess. Yeah, probably fine. Maybe a little bit more shape to the knee itself, more defined corner. Okay, something like this. Hopefully this won't be okay. I think I will just use sculpt this shape a little bit. Okay, maybe this is a little bit too strong, so I will. Okay, I think this is okay, almost there. I think this one still has more volume on the reference, so maybe a little bit to the front of this one. Yeah, probably something like this. Okay, now I think this is mostly done. Uh, okay, I forgot the. Let's try to create the globe. Globe. I think I will just uh, maybe mark him here. Okay. I think I will mark sharp. Use let's set auto smooth. I think since this is not that visible for the final render, I think it's fine. So yeah. Okay. Now we can copy this what is called stocking, I guess. So we can copy this. We can copy this layer to the skin. So probably I will edit it. Hopefully it won't break because I haven't tested. Oh, it will copy and paste layer along the material need to should use the same channels. So I need to create another uh, channel called subsurface because the actual skin has subsurface color like channel I mean. So we can copy layer and paste it here. I will save it first. Okay, where is the paste layer? Okay, it will be right here. It won't be that it won't affect anything since we haven't used this but part of the body. I mean, the layer is still here, but since the body is still using fake skin, it won't affect anything at all. So now you can use, hopefully, wait, save first. Hopefully it will, yeah, that's right, okay. Now the skin is using stocking, yeah. The way to, okay, I hope that's understandable. Uh, I'm not really sure. So now it's all finished. Um, how long have I been? Oh, I have 10 minutes left. Okay. What should I do now? Maybe I think I will tweak the, oh, this one has overlap. If you are a little bit confused, that add-on reminds me of Substance Painter. Yeah. Yeah, this is for uh, managing texture layer. So you don't have to use Substance Painter, I guess. But I don't know. It depends on your workflow. But yeah, it can do basic. So if you want to know more about the add-on, you can visit the link in the description about. YouTube Paint. I think I will read the basic tutorial after I finish this project. I think the red Fresnel from before, I think I will make it a little bit visible now since this is affected the screen. Yeah, probably something like this. Be a little bit too strong. This one has no red. So I think this talking will be a little bit to the top. So let's move it to the top. Okay, probably something like this. Yeah, probably something like this. So yeah, wait. If I move it back below, I think this one also looks good. I think I will leave it like this. I guess we can move it back again. Okay, maybe a little bit more quick on the overall proportion. So yeah, because I think the proportion is a little bit weak. Okay, that that's big. That big great actually. Yeah, hopefully. I'm still, yeah, as I like I said before, I'm still getting used to uh, create a video again. So hopefully this videos video series can help me to make a better tutorial for each pen, I guess. I think this is done. Maybe I will end this. We got 7 minutes, but I think I will. Okay, not. I think yeah. Oh, maybe okay. Maybe I will just fix the since we create the color from the front, don't forget to always check it from the side and the top. It will help you to make the shape a little bit more believable, I guess. So just move it from yeah, something like this. It will has overlap a little bit. I think it's fine since this is not the final post. Uh, we spent so much time creating this. I hope that's worth it, I guess. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think we need to apply this for the final part because this is still disconnected and it's a little bit it's kind of look a little bit funky, I guess. Let me at least try to. I think we don't need. Okay. Yeah, probably something like that. So this one. Hmm, okay. Maybe this is a little bit too brown. I uh, I don't know. Hmm. This mostly done. I think tomorrow we will create this kind of textures. Yeah, this one, and we will use it as a bump to our model. I'm just still tweaking until 4 minutes left until 3 hours of stream. Okay, I think I will fix a little bit the part that I kind of messed up yesterday. Uh, well, this is looking a little bit weird. We'll just copying those. Okay, I think that's probably fine. Okay, the I forget to the leg, the yeah leg I guess or shin I guess this is shin. It usually has a more uh what is called the crease upward I guess. Because this is has a bone, it usually has a more defined shape I guess on the bone. Yeah, something like this. Uh, that's in progress. Okay. Tibia. Okay. It's called tibia. Okay. I think this part is usually a little bit slanted to the back. Yeah, probably something like that. It usually has a not. I think it has some kind of curve here. So usually it has uh, different thickness, I guess. The bone. Okay. Okay, it looks a little bit weird from this side, so let's try to use cactus. Wait, what happened? Okay, maybe we'll add more volume a little bit here and here. Okay. If you are edit your mesh, don't forget to keep checking from all the sides, so it doesn't look a little bit weird from the. If make sure your mesh not only good from one side. That's what I'm trying to say. A little bit lengthy. A little bit more formal. I think we need more. Oh, probably not. Okay, from this side is a little bit okay. Okay, probably I will make this one. Okay, now is the tibia is gone, but it's still there actually, but not that. Maybe it's not that visible, but it's fine. We always try to make subtle things look subtle. So if you create something, it's sometimes it's better to create subtle things rather than other more visible one. Something like that. Okay, I think this is okay. 3 hours and 2 minutes. I think this I will. This is mostly we are end up using 2 hours for this thing, and the rest is only 1 hour. I think this is fine. I hope that's worth it. Okay. Okay. Maybe this one is a little bit. Okay. Okay. A little bit here. I think this is enough for today. Okay, I will wrap up this stream. So yeah, anyone still watching this? 14 concurrent viewers. Okay, nice. That's a little bit more than yesterday, I guess. Yeah. If you are still watching this, thank you for watching this stream. For going along with me. So I hope we can. I hope we can continue again tomorrow at the similar time. And we will meet again tomorrow. Thank you so much. And see you tomorrow. Okay. Bye.